Hello everybody, Wannabe Gamer here, and we're here for another WWE Immortals video where we're going to be cracking open a gear pack, and we'll see what we get. 25,000 and will contain a random gear card, and it will be up to 3 stars in quality, so 1 to 3 star. Hopefully it doesn't bend me over. And we get a face paint, which is not terrible, but it is a duplicate, so you're going to see me smash it, and we'll see what we get out of it. We get a solid 2 fire shards and a blue aqua-like shard. And we got a bonus of 2 aqua shards as well, so that was kind of useless, but yeah, it's all in good fun. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys later.